You know Jazzy for its industry-leading performance and quality. Now let's talk about portability. The Jazzy Carbon by Mobility uses ultralight but exceptionally strong carbon fiber technology for its frame and a lightweight, reliable lithium-ion battery. Travelers keep their Jazzy Carbon charged and standing by for spontaneous jet-setting adventures. They know it breezes through airport security, easily stows on the plane, and gives them the mobility support they need to make the most of their travels. Weighing in at a stunning 43.6 pounds, Jazzy Carbon still provides top speeds up to 3.7 miles per hour with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Regain your mobility freedom and independence with the Jazzy Carbon Travel Powerchair by Mobility. Call AutoMobility store today and receive free shipping. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Tell us where you would take your Jazzy Carbon.